What's up, guys? I figured I'd show you all these pipes, birthplace, and everything else that I've been creating and posting for you guys there on YouTube. This is my woodwork shop. I'll probably go through and show you each tool piece by piece. This is my belt sander. This is typically used to flatten surfaces a lot, or do a little fine touch up somewhere, even sharpen lathe tools, which you see I got one left laying out here, and we'll get to that in here in a second. But yeah, its purpose is pretty much self-explanatory. Anytime you need a sander or a belt sander, you got this. But on to the next one. This is my woodworking lathe. One of the best lathes I've used so far for the price. I only paid like $190 before tax or something like that. But it works out pretty good. You see, you attach your piece of wood there, or whichever way you want to attach it. Stick it on, clamp it down, pull that up, tighten it, turn it on. You know the gist. Well, this is where a lot of the cups are made, in the ashtrays, which I haven't made yet, but I'm getting around to it. I've got a couple failures I'm not going to show, but anyways, this is where all the big stuff is made. The pipes are mainly handmade, and I'll go ahead and show you the next tool I use for that. Boom. And here it is, the little mini belt sander. It's about maybe 1 inch wide, and it's good for all the fine tuning and stuff like that whenever you need to get in there and, say you got a pipe or something and you got a little too much on the stem, just take it off real fine. It's pretty self-explanatory too. It's a 1 inch belt sander. It's real good for the small nitty-gritty stuff. But yeah, on to the next one here, last but not least. So here we go. The drill press. Alright, this is the birthplace of most of the bowls for the tobacco pipes. But this here, it's a beast. It ran pretty good. I think it was like $100 or something after tax. It wasn't too bad. It has a little light. The bulb blew, so I just took it out. Yeah, little off and on switch right here with a safety pin. You pull that safety pin and it locks it, so it can't be turned off and on. But anyways, I'll just go ahead and slide on over here and show you the last most handy piece of all the creations here. Bam, the tool table. Alright, see the sawzall, the drills, all that stuff, the vise. Well, you pretty much know what all this stuff is used for. Here's a pipe in the making, a piece of hickory. But yeah, that's pretty much it for where the wood shop is, and we'll go ahead and do a little walk out here, and that's it. This is where all the pipes and all the cups and every other little woodwork is made and then posted. But anyways, I wanted to say this good investment right here for last words. I also wanted to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into this kind of stuff. And Peace out, guys. Rock on. Stay safe.